Hello everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today I'm going to show you how to make dry mango powder, that is amchur powder, right at home. So without any further delay, let's begin with our process. So guys, to make the amchur powder at home, I've taken 2 raw mangoes. These come to around 200 grams of mangoes and I've thoroughly washed them. And now let's remove the stem part of these mangoes. And then we are going to use a peeler and peel off the skin of these mangoes. So, have you clicked on the bell icon after subscribing? If not, do it right now to get an update each time I upload a new recipe, and it's totally free. And once we are done peeling off the skin of the mangoes, then remember to put them in water so as to keep them from turning dark. And now let's take a slicer, any chip slicer will also do, and let's start slicing these mangoes till the time we hit the seed of the mango. So let's keep slicing these mangoes till the time all sides of these mangoes are nicely sliced. Also guys, one other important part is to, once you are done slicing these mangoes, then put them in water, otherwise they will turn dark in color and we want to avoid that. So let's put all the slices into the water. And now guys, let me show you a second method. So let's take a knife and let's cut a big chunk of this mango, and then we are going to make slices out of it. And guys, these slices can be dried off and then used in curries, in dal, in vegetables, and they taste absolutely delicious. So we have two ways of making amchur. One is the thin method, which is from the slicer, and then the second method is using the knife. And now here I've taken a plate which is covered with a cloth, and I'm just putting our knife cut slices on top first. These might take a little longer to dry off because they are a little bit thicker, of course. And then we are going to put the slicer cut slices on the other side. And then we are going to cover these up with a cloth so that no dust or no other particle falls onto our mangoes. And now we are going to keep this out in the sun for the next 2 to 3 days. After 2 to 3 days, let's look at our mango slices. Let's see if they've dried up or not, and looks like they are nicely dried up. Did you hear that sound? That is the sound of a perfectly dried mangoes. And now let's add all of them into a blender. I'm adding the knife cut ones as well because I already have quite a lot of them in my house. If you want to keep them aside and try it out in your dal, then please do so. So now that we have all our dried mangoes into the blender and I've blended it, let's put them into a bowl and let's run it through a sieve first. And I'm using a spoon to make my job much faster. And that is it. Our amchur powder is ready. So let's put it in an airtight container and it will last you for quite some long time, almost about 2 to 3 months. But if you guys are planning to keep it for much longer, then add a little bit of salt as a preservative and it will last even longer. So wasn't that so easy to make? So do make it. Don't buy outside store-bought amchur powder when you can make it at home. And do let me know what you think about this recipe. Do click on the subscribe button. Do click on these other links because these are recipes which you do not want to miss. And do share this recipe with your friends and family, and I will see you very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye-bye.